Welcome to the Ultima ecosystem. In this video, we will introduce you to our flagship splitting technology. Nearly 3 million of our users worldwide successfully use splitting. This technology allows people to profit without the need for expensive equipment and deep knowledge of blockchain technologies. To manage splitting, you only need a smartphone with the Smart Wallet app installed. What is splitting? Splitting allows users to get rewards in cryptocurrencies to their smart wallet. Currently, splitting with rewards in Ultima is available. Rewards can be requested once every 24 hours. The reward will be sent to your Ultima wallet address in the smart wallet within moments and will be immediately available for use. We will explain what is needed to get the reward further. How does splitting work? Split tokens and pools. At the core of splitting lies a liquidity pool, a closed and self-sustaining decentralized system. Essentially, a liquidity pool is a large cryptocurrency wallet. It holds cryptocurrencies that are frozen for decades. This wallet is decentralized. It has no owner. It belongs only to the blockchain, and only the blockchain can manage the tokens stored in the balance. The blockchain issues rewards from the pool according to the clear rules of a smart contract. The smart contract algorithmically enforces the rule to reward users who bring liquidity to it. The right to rewards is determined by special shares called splits. Splits are a type of token with the sole purpose of determining a user's right to a reward. Every day, a certain amount of Ultima tokens is distributed in the pool, which is divided among the total number of split tokens held by participants. The more splits a user has, the greater their reward. For each split, the blockchain calculates the daily reward according to the concluded smart contract terms. This reward is not time-limited. The tokens can be received by the children and grandchildren of today's split token holders. Currently, several pools are operating on the blockchain, each distributing rewards among its participants. How are rewards distributed among pool participants? The amount of distributed rewards depends on the time the split is held in the wallet and the halving period. Halving is the process of continuously halving the supply of Ultima tokens entering the market. The primary goal of halving is to curb cryptocurrency inflation by reducing the issuance of new tokens. Depending on the type of pool, halving occurs once a year or once every 6 months. Currently, each pool distributes 25 tokens daily among participants in proportion to the number of splits they hold. This amount is divided by the total number of split tokens held by participants. The resulting value is multiplied by the number of split tokens a specific user holds. The final number is reflected in the My Estimated Reward section. This is the reward. After the next halving, the amount will be reduced by half and will continue to decrease until it reaches 1 token per day. This means that the reward amount will also decrease. Therefore, it makes sense to join the pool as early as possible. How do you start splitting? Step-by-step guide. It's simple. First, you need to select a pool. After selecting a pool, you need to enter into a split contract. To do this, choose a package with the characteristics that suit you in your personal account on the DeFi-U website. The packages differ in the number of splits the user receives after entering into the contract. After paying for the package, you need to transfer the received split tokens to your smart wallet. You can request your first reward within 24 hours. After requesting the reward, a new countdown timer will start, and after another 24 hours, you will be able to get your second reward. What can you do with the rewards you get? The rewards you get from splitting Ultima can be easily capitalized in various ways. Sell your rewards on an exchange or the internal exchange and withdraw them in fiat currency. Convert and transfer your rewards to the Ultima debit card and spend them in almost any country in the world. Buy physical goods on the internal marketplaces of the ecosystem. Increase your future rewards by entering into a new split contract. Become part of the rapidly growing Ultima economy. Start getting rewards through splitting today and join millions of users who have chosen Ultima to generate profits in the cryptocurrency market.